people always think this is a Hellcat. So since people think this is a Hellcat, why not confuse them even more?
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
Why so serious? Why so serious? What's going on, guys? It's your guy Serious Mindset, back with another video. And in this video, we are doing debadging, vinyl wrapping, lug change out. This is an epic video. I'm giving you 3-in-1 content at one time because I feel like a lot of things has happened and I haven't had a chance to get everything done in one time, and I feel like I need to do it now, so I already took a head start. But anyway, needless to say, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop a fire emoji right after the Why So Serious, however you want to spell it, E-R-R-A-R-G, but anyway, but just drop some positive stuff on there. Why So Serious, if you got any questions or whatnot. But let's get to the video, and make sure you follow the Instagram serious_lanes, serious_lanes, and don't forget, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That will get us to Serious Nation, and I will do a giveaway of my brand Serious Mindset apparel. See that? Ooh, got that gear. Check that out. Ooh, limited edition, mind you, with the shirt, with the matching tee. But needless to say, let's go ahead and get into the goodies. So, with that being said, hold on, let me see that. So, we are going to debadge the 392. I like it. It's cool. But every time I drive around, everybody, oh, check that out. Check that out. We're going to get into that. Hold on. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. But I know that's nice. But anyway, every time I drive around and I'm in the Widebody and I pull up to meets, people always think this is a Hellcat. So since people think this is a Hellcat, why not confuse them even more? Because the badge is right there. It says 392. But some people don't know. That's fine. But we are going to confuse them a little bit more. Let me open up the garage. Hold on. That's gonna settle everything a little bit more better. So, oh, there we go. Welcome. But I gotta clean out the garage a little bit more. I did some little touching up or whatnot, because the wife want to put her little project, so I support the wife. So, wife, make sure you give us a thumbs up. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the badge that I actually have for the Widebody. I ordered these badges from eBay, as you see, eBay. Now, it came everything with the 3M right here. So this is okay. It's cool. They have one to go from either the right side or the left side. So this one would go like that one, like that, you know, because, or you can go like that because he's facing like that, but that looks wrong. But anyway, so this is the right side and that's the left side. So let me show you guys, hold on, let me show you guys the difference. Let me show you guys the difference. These, wow, check this out. So the head is much rounder. This is a round head. This is like an oval football type head. So you can see the details in the eyes. You see the details in the eyes? This just has like the little goggle type deal, which is cool to some people. And then here, it's like a little small stinger. So I got this on eBay. So if you're looking for some different, like some Bumblebee badges, then you can go on eBay and get them. Cool. But I actually got these from another site, and I put one together, and check this out. Whew. Got the red eye in the Bumblebee. So this is so yeah, so I was showing you guys the vinyl side. So that's the vinyl. You can see the vinyl. So check out the difference. So then they also give you the red eye attachments to go inside. So yes, I will have a Bumblebee with a red eye. And if you're looking to get that done, here is the information, boostedscatpack.com. So yeah, I'm gonna put that together. We're gonna take that off. So I already pre-taped everything as you guys seen earlier. So moving to the next mod. Yes, the red, it's kind of hard to see it, but the red carbon fiber is on. Now, the backside looks good, right? Check it out. The backside looks good. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see it, but the backside looks good. Now the front side, I had to order several more vinyl because of course I messed it up. So now the inside, you guys gonna laugh at me, but I'm just gonna keep it 100. I wanted to see how it's gonna look, so I did finish it. I didn't give up, so that's the most important thing. I didn't give up. I finished it, but you know, I'm not a vinyl shop, so I can do, you know, it's easy somewhat to do like spoilers in the back, or you know, maybe the hood and then small little things. Now the mirror on the Challenger, oh my God. So from a distance, you're like, wow, that looks bad. And then when you come in a little bit more, you're like, ooh, look at all that. So I got frays. It's not smooth. You know, I try my best to keep a nice cut. So in most areas it's smooth. So this will be done by a professional shop. I just have to find a shop that's going to do it professionally. But if I heat it up a little bit more, this will peel back. So I don't want to do that. So I might try to smooth it out a little bit more, but I have to do the opposite side. Let's see if we can show you guys the opposite side. So the opposite side is not done yet. If that shows. And then another thing, I'm just giving you guys the intel, the nitty gritty. And then once I'm done, then I'm gonna show you guys the vehicle after everything is done. Now, I brought this company up before, and they just dropped off my package. So I ordered, so these neochrome from god dang, I can't think of their name. What's the name? Oh god, what's their name? Six Speed. So 6 Speed, they have different little types or whatnot. So these are the neochrome caps. So the neochrome caps are cool, but I had to go with spikes because I love this look. The look is dope. So I reordered, or I made a big order. I ordered some more lugs or whatnot. I'm not gonna tell you the color, but I did order some more spikes. So when that order came through, they gave me more caps. I called, I told them what happened, no questions asked. They looked up the order number, they sent me some spikes. Fast shipping. So if you're looking to get some quality lug nuts, some different style types, I mess with six speed or whatnot. First it was the lug nut, the lock. Now it's the actual cap overview or whatnot. But needless to say, that thing is dope. So we're about to put all those things on. We're gonna dress up the mirror, the other side of the mirror. We're gonna put in the spike. So we got that, and then we're gonna debadge. So I'm giving you guys 3 into 1 between the wide body. So I need you guys to make sure between this video, you guys subscribe, you guys drop a fire emoji right after What's So Serious. So let me go ahead and put on all these mods. I'm not gonna show you guys everything because it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm gonna show you the ending result because we're already like 9 minutes into this video already. So I appreciate you guys for watching. So let's go ahead and get it. Oh, quick tip. If you're debadging and you want everything to be equal, try to pick an equal point. So here you see everything is aligned, and then there. So when I try to put in this badge on the side, I'm using that as my L. If you guys can see, I'm using that as my L to keep me equal. So the other side is gonna be the same thing. So just a quick tip, but let me go ahead and get on all these mods, and then we're gonna show the ending result. Stay tuned. All right, so as you see, I got one of the red eyes in there. That's what it looks like. Whoo, that thing look cold, different. So on the site, they got one where you can have horns or whatnot. I didn't want the horns. I wanted to keep it at least somewhat original. because of course the original has the antennas. So you see the antennas on there. So I wanted to keep somewhat of the originality of it, even though I'm adding in the red eye and different little components here. So so you get a chance to see, you know, me actually put this thing on there. I figure I'll show you guys or whatnot, because that's what it's about, right? That's what it's about. So you see I got the little, this one right here. The lighting is a little bad, I get it, I'm sorry, my bad. So you see you gotta take off the little you gotta take off the adhesive, because both of the parts got adhesive on it, of course, right? So you take off the little film, right? So once you take off the little film, then you insert, as I'm about to do now, to give it that distinctive look. If I can fit it in there. Come on, get in there. Oh yeah, oh, wait a minute. Got a little bit of the, hold on. Okay, there we go. All right. Oh man, that looks so unique. So that's what it looks like, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do the other side, then we're gonna go from there. So yeah, that thing looks nice. I like that. That's dope. Just finished all the mods, and then I did an extra bonus and also washed the Widebody. So you can see how everything is flowing on this thing. It's all about the details. Remember the details. So you see I have the spike neochrome, and then we added the red, carbon fiber red on the mirror. So we're gonna get this redone as well. So this is gonna be done by a professional, because you can see my imperfections. So again, just trying it out. But I wanted to show you guys that, you know, you can do anything you put your mind to it. But of course I didn't do the detail because, you know, yeah, this wasn't my expertise. But needless to say, it's okay at a distance, but when you get close, then it's like, wow. And then we got the Bumblebee red eye. The red eye Bumblebee. So all the mods between 1, 2, 3 are completed. So that concludes this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hey, make sure you drop that fire emoji and then throw in a "Why So Serious." But at the end of the day, stay serious. Stay tuned for the next mod video, or stay tuned for the next epic video. Stay serious. Why so serious?
This is a cold war. Do you know what you're
Why so serious?